Hi everyone, it's going to be another hot day here, so just surfing the internet looking for more projects that I can share with you. And I think I might have found the deal of the century. This seller is advertising a 1987 Saab 900 SPG for just $800, which is like a tank of gas in California. Um, Maybe not quite that much, but close. Anyway, the SPG stands for Special Performance Group, and if you're not familiar, it's Saab's version of the BMW M series or Mercedes AMG Group or Volvo's Polestar. So it's their performance division, and the SPG has a few additional performance goodies, better suspension. Um, and they were only called SPGs in the US. So the rest of the world, these top of the line performance oriented 900 turbos were called the Aero. But in the US, GM owned the rights to the name Aero. So Saab was unable to use that phrase or that word in the US. So hence they came up with SPG. Now, assuming that this is a real SPG, it would be an excellent candidate, I think, for full nut and bolt restoration. As you can see here, a couple of Saab SPGs, 900 SPGs, recently sold on Bring a Trailer for over $50,000. So there's some potential for some big gains. Um, Prices were hovering around 20,000 for a long time. So the recent surge in prices might be attributed to uh, Magnus Walker of the Porsche fame raving about a Saab 900 in his video segment for Haggerty. And then also last year's Oscar winner for Best International Feature Film, Drive My Car, featured a Talladega Red Saab 900 SPG. This SPG is finished in Edwardian gray, and the hood and looks like the wheel arch appears to need some refinishing, has some rust spots, but the 900s, while they had galvanized bodies, still prone to rust. So at this price, maybe it's worth it to strip it all the way down, go for a full respray, and really just establish a nice clean baseline to build from. The seller states that though he thought he heard a rod knock when he started the car about 10 years ago, so it's been sitting for 10 years, and the clutch didn't work. So obviously, I think tearing it down and doing a full rebuild of the drivetrain seems to be required. The clutch itself doesn't require pulling the engine or transmission. The If you're familiar with these cars, the engine's sort of installed backwards, so the clutch is facing the front of the car, and the fan belts are facing the inside of the car. So you can really just pull the clutch out from the front of the car, and it's also got another quirk that it's tilted about 45 degrees on its side. So I know, it's a Saab. But given the fragility of these transmissions, I think just doing a full rebuild of the transmission and the engine while it's out is really going to provide the most years of worry-free driving. The 900 engine, or the engine from the 900, was derived from a Triumph Slant 4 engine. And that's not the only English influence on this Swede. Not many people know, but in the John Gardner version of James Bond, which is the continuation novels from Ian Fleming, James Bond actually drove a Saab 900 Turbo as his personal car. So not his work car, but his personal car, which he had outfitted with all the gadgetry that you found in his work car. So there's another British connection there. Parts are not impossible to find, but there are definitely some unobtainium items. So if you're going to take on this project, you're going to really have to work hard at your Google Foo and reserve some time on the weekends to make the rounds at your local pick and pulls. Also, the Saab community on Facebook is super helpful. So I think between that and the Bentley Workshop Manual, um, you can tackle everything but the super technical work. And anybody with an advanced or intermediate certificate in YouTube mechanics should be able to tackle this without too much trouble. So hopefully there's someone out there that will go and save this one. They're definitely, I think, special cars, underappreciated until recently. So it might be a good time to get in early before prices really start to climb, and get yourself a nice summer project. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll link the ad below and some other information. And remember, keep the rusty side up and the leaky side down. Thanks for watching.